Hi, James with the 1 Hour Smart Home here, and we're going to show you how to reset an Echo Dot Generation 2 or an Amazon Alexa Dot Gen 2. So we've already got this set up. It is powered on, and you can see that it is working. So in order to do this real simple, all you're going to do is hold down the microphone button and the volume down button at the same time. So we're going to hold that down probably for about 20 seconds, and once you see the orange ring, okay, that means that it is initiating reset mode. We have to keep holding once the orange ring is identified until we get a blue ring, and then until it goes to flashing blue. So we've got the blue ring here, and then once it's gone to flashing blue, that means that it is ready for setup again. And if you just let it go, so we're waiting for that flashing blue. If you just let it go once you're in flashing blue mode, it will then eventually let you just set it up like it was right out of the box. So we're going to keep holding. Okay, it is now in flashing blue mode. If you leave this for about 2 minutes, I would say, it will then be completely ready for setup. So if you're resetting your Echo Dot 2 or Echo Dot Generation 2 because you want to give it away or give it to somebody, or you want to clear your information off of it, that is how you do it. You just hold these down until you get the orange ring. You keep going until you get the blue ring. And then once you have the blue spinning ring, it means that Echo Dot is ready for setup, and it has completely been set up and erased. Okay, so all the settings have been erased on this. This is factory default settings right now for this Amazon Echo Dot Gen 2 device. If you're having any issues getting it set up again, you just hold this button, which is called the action button, for like 10 or 20 seconds until the light ring turns orange. And that will just put it into setup and pairing mode a little bit easier. It forces it into it. So if I just let this go for probably about a minute, it will speak to you again and it'll say Echo Dot is ready for setup, just like factory settings or reset. So we have completely reset the Echo Dot Generation 2. And just as a reminder, you just hold this until you get this flashing blue ring like so again, and then the settings are completely reset and it's factory reset. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the link below or like and subscribe. Appreciate it.